Yeah, here's a little news update. She's missing a leg, so. Oh my goodness. She only has 3 legs now. What? Alright, welcome back everybody. I know this is probably a surprise for some people. If you were supporting the videos when we were posting them and stuff like that, you know that's been like, it's been close to a year probably since we posted anything. We do appreciate everyone that was supporting us, and especially to the people that we know as well. But yeah, we're back today. We're in the field. We were in the field yesterday, which was Saturday. All we did was like 4 truckloads. We had to get like weights and just numbers right and stuff like that. So we didn't go too crazy, and today we're not gonna either. But yeah, enough talking. We'll get started here. I'll be in the grain cart. Foster will be hauling loads from the field. We're in the field literally just across the road. It's right there. He'll be hauling from there to here to the farm at the bins over there. All right, we're off. We ain't going too far. We're literally just right over there. All right, well now we just wait. He's opening up the field a little bit. But yeah, I'm excited to be behind the camera again. It was a fun time doing it last year. Duty calls. I was too busy talking. I didn't see his auger out. Well, we're getting filled right now.
He's a long ways away from it, but again, we know.
Foster's filming today too. I don't know if he's filmed anything yet. We just got started, but if he is, I'll cut to it right now.
Morning. We're starting with corn this year because it's already dry. They're already dead. Beans are almost there. I'm in a different semi this year. I'm in the manual.
Done. Front is filled. Now my dad's on the other end, so I'm guessing I gotta go all the way down there. I wonder if I can get the camera to Joel today in the combine, huh? Should there be a Joel sighting today in the video? There's Joel.
I explained to Foster what we got to change up there. So Foster, on the 3rd one is when you'll pull that table to load out like I showed you. And we won't start the dryer until we get the loads all done. We will have plenty of time to get them dried the rest of the day.
Okay, so I don't know if you guys heard that, but it sounded like we're doing like 6 loads today. And I am about like a little under halfway full.
Yeah, you can wait on this end. Now next time we'll dump on the go.
Alright, a little more waiting. Gonna dump on the go, heading that way.
Max on his way. We have half a load in there already. I'm gonna head back to the farm and then dump it.
Alright, Foster is loaded.
It's 8. I think it's about lunchtime.
Alright, so I wasn't recording, but my dad radioed in, and it sounds like this is the last load for Foster.
Alright, so this load is my second load. I gotta switch the new leg to the loadout above the pit. That is right here, loadout. Okay, so I just pulled the loadout down, so then it switched this leg. We weren't dumping into there, that's above the dryer. Now we're gonna dump above this one that's above the pit.
Look at this guy's dedication to the game. Quick switch.
And in the Parker City Blackwell area, 68 degrees today.
Get in. Look who's joining us. What, you just think you get to quit for the day or what?
We're like doing 6 loads. No auto steer.
Don't need auto steer when you have a perfectly capable human being.
Well, next year, we will.
We'll have auto steer next year.
Are you him?
Oh, we're full.
Hold up here and let me get empty.
Never mind. Yeah, you did. Yeah, this kid almost won the ditch, by the way.
No, I didn't.
Gary said his right wheel was halfway out, or halfway in.
He said it was the most that it can go. He I drove by him and he's like, sorry, I pulled it. Pulled the honker.
Pulled the honker?
The horn.
He pulled the honker. Alright, last load. Alright, we are now going to be leaving the field. Gonna make sure the auger's down. Don't want to just absolutely destroy it on a power line. Hard. All right, back home at the farm. Go see what's going on.
Got some corn leaking out.
We got 2 guys recording. Huh? Why you recording? I'm recording. I'm recording. Go what's up there. See, I'm terrified of heights. I can never go up there.
Not too bad.
I'd have to have a safety harness on. Are we leaving these parked here? Yeah. What's going on? Yeah. We gotta get the bin over the dryer down close to empty, then we can dump. Taking a dryer sample. 14.6. Well, that's gonna do it for today. We didn't do a full day's of work. 6 loads is all it was. Nothing too crazy. We appreciate everyone watching. Thank you for supporting us. See you guys in the next one.